The Unity Slim Smart Lock can be programmed in two ways: on the Yale Home app or manually. For easier setup, added convenience and controls of your lock, programming your lock on the Yale Home app is recommended. Please note, if you wish to set up your lock with the Yale Home app, any existing user codes and lock settings will be lost. The master code will remain. This video covers how to program the Unity Slim Smart Lock without the Yale Home app. When you're programming your lock, make sure to keep the door open at all times, or you could find yourself locked out. With the door open, remove the top and bottom battery covers with a flathead screwdriver. Then remove and reinsert the batteries. Press the R button under the top battery cover and enter your master code. You can choose any 6-digit code you like. Press the gear key and re-enter the master code. Press the gear key to complete. Whenever you wish to use the keypad, palm it to wake it up. Then enter your code. Then press the tick key to unlock. When entering or leaving, simply lift and release the handle to activate multi-point locking after you've closed the door. This will lock the door by disconnecting the outside handle while securely engaging the deadbolt and locking rods at the top and bottom of the door if installed. To access the main menu of the lock, enter your master code. Then press the R button. From here, each illuminated key represents a menu option. To register a new 6-digit user code, navigate to the main menu and press 2, then the gear key to continue. Press 1 and add a user code, then press the gear key. Enter the slot number you wish to assign the user code. There is a maximum of 99 slots, from 1 to 99. A slot number refers to the number that a user code is assigned against. For slot numbers 1 to 9, a 0 must be put in front first. For example, 0, then 1. Then press the gear key. Enter your unique 6-digit PIN code, followed by the gear key. To add more user codes, press the tick button and repeat these steps. To delete an existing user code, you will require the related slot number and master code for authorization. Navigate to the main menu and press 2, then the gear key to continue. Press 3 to delete the user code, then the gear key. Enter the slot number related to the user code that you wish to delete. To register a one-time user code, navigate to the main menu and press 4. Then press the gear key. Press 1 to register a one-time code. Enter a 6-digit one-time code, followed by the gear key. To delete all one-time codes not already used, you will require the master code for authorization. Navigate to the main menu and press 4. Then press the gear key. Press 3 to delete all one-time codes. Enter your master code for authorization, followed by the gear key. To delete all user codes and one-time user codes, you will require the master code for authorization. Navigate to the main menu and press 5. Then press the gear key. Enter your master code for authorization, followed by the gear key. Auto lock is turned off by default. To enable or disable auto lock, navigate to the main menu and press 6, then press the gear key. Press 2 to adjust auto lock settings, then the gear key. Press 1 to enable auto lock, or press 3 to disable auto lock. Then press the gear key to complete. The lock has 3 volume settings: high, low, and silent, with high volume as the default. To change the volume settings, navigate to the main menu and press 6. Then press the gear key. Press 3 to adjust volume settings, then the gear key. Press 1 to change to high volume. Press 2 to change to low volume, or press 3 for silent mode. Then press the gear key to complete. If your lock is set up in the Yale Home app, refer to this video, which covers factory resetting with the Yale Home app. Otherwise, continue watching. Remove the batteries first. Then remove the internal body by unscrewing the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. On the inside of the internal body, locate the reset button shown. Press and hold the reset button while reinserting the batteries until completed is heard.
Welcome to the Yale Digital World. Completed.
Now remount the internal body.